Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia 515, and now I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. To do it, firstly you need to unlock your device. To do it, click on the center button and start, then click menu, find settings, scroll down and find here Restore Factory Settings. Click Select, click All, and click Continue. And write the security code. The default security code is 123455, and click OK. And wait a while. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video, and bye. See you.